This is our plant resource manager software in the control room. Now I will search for the required tag. I will go to edit and I will select inspection and browser. Click this. Here we have to enter the control valve tag number 88 PV1101. So I will write PV1101 and click search. Now tag is opened. Double click on the tag. It will open the respective uh, device. Okay, here this is the control valve tag. And on the right side, you can see the parameters like type of communication, HART communication, or manufacturer, Metso, model ND9000. These basic parameters, you can get it on the right side. Now select the required tag and right click and select DTM works. It will open a window. In this window, you can get all the HART communication related parameters. It will take some time for fetching the data. You can see some parameters. These are the default parameters. You can see milliamp set point, target set point, valve travel, uh, etc. These are the parameters related to this valve positioner. We need this valve travel signal. Now it is around 2.2 percentage. Okay, remember this value. We have to fetch this value into the DCS system. Now go to menu and we have to select the required HART variables. Remember, we must enable HART burst mode. If you have any dedicated option, then you must enable HART burst mode. In this transmitter, I don't have any dedicated option. So going to HART variables. We have four variables: primary variable, secondary variable, third, and fourth variable. We can use any of this parameter and we have to configure the valve travel in the respective parameter. See, many options are available, many parameters are available. We can configure any of these parameters and we can fetch this data into the DCS system. I will select C2 pressure for third variable and remaining I will keep it like that and you have to press enter. Then only these values will be updated in the valve positioner. Okay, remember I am using secondary variable for valve travel. Valve travel means our feedback signal status. Right now it is around 2.2 percentage. And you can carry out the same exercise using your HART communicator also. You can connect this communicator either in the field or in your marshalling cabinet also. That is up to you. Mostly the software will be enough. If you don't have the software, use HART communicator. Do like our videos, share our courses with your colleagues and friends. Support us. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.